Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pada yang terhormat Bapak Ibu dosen dan guru penguji uji kinerja PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2023. Perkenalkan, nama saya Suharjono SPD. Saya adalah seorang guru di SMP Negeri 4 Pandak Bantul, Yogyakarta, sekaligus sebagai mahasiswa PPG dalam jabatan tahun 2023 angkatan 2 dengan nomor peserta PPG 2015018655124 di LPTK Universitas Ahmad Dahlan, Yogyakarta. Pada hari ini, Senin tanggal 4 Desember tahun 2023, saya akan melaksanakan uji kinerja secara luring di sekolah saya SMP Negeri 4 Pandak Bantul, Yogyakarta. Praktik pembelajaran kali ini saya laksanakan pada kelas 7 dengan materi Descriptive Text dengan subtema Describing Animal. Berikut video uji kinerja saya. Selamat menyaksikan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, students, before we start our activity today, please prepare yourself, make your environment clean, and make sure that we are ready to learn today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, students. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir. And you?
Yeah, I'm fine too. Thank you. Okay, before we start our lesson, it would be better that we pray first. Okay, Nandu, please lead your friend to pray. Yeah, thank you. Okay, now I want to check the attendance. Saya akan mengabsen kalian ya. Who is absent today? How many students that absent today? 1, 2. Before we continue our lesson today, I want to ask you. Do you still remember that what the material that we have learned before? Yeah, text descriptive. Anyone knows what is text descriptive? Ini menggambarkan, ya, menggambarkan orang, binatang atau tempat dengan menyebutkan apa? Cirinya. We describe the characteristic. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about describing animal. But before we continue, I will give you the learning objective. Through the project-based learning model using PowerPoint, word world, and video media, students are able to 1. Identify adjective word in the text, comparing text about descriptive animal, and create a concept map regarding described animal. What is the function to learn this material? That we can describe animal. Then, what is the aspect to be assessed in this learning process? Identify adjective word in the text, compare the two text, then make concept, make map about describing animal. That's 3 aspects that will be assessed in this lesson. Okay, before we continue, I have a question. Do you have a pet? What pet that do you have? Cat. Yeah, cat, kucing ya. Is it cute? Yeah. And then what kind of food do you give for your pet? We're going to learn about descriptive text about animal. Now, let's identify. Okay, as you said before, what is this? We identify. What is it? Cat. How about this body? Big or small? Small. Yeah, small. Yeah. Is this tame or wild animal? Yeah, tame animal. How does the sound? Meow. How does the tail? It is long or short? Long. Yeah, this is about the picture that you identify. What about the color? Anyone know what the color? What's this? Yeah, the color is white. Jadi kita lihat di sini, jawabannya adalah this is cat. Body is small. This is a tame animal. The sound is meow. The tail is long. Jadi ini adalah kucing, kemudian tubuhnya kecil. Binatang ini adalah termasuk binatang yang jinak, suaranya meow, dan tadi dilihat the tail is long. We are going to discuss about our topic today, that is descriptive tag. What is descriptive tag? Descriptive tag is a tag which tell us what the person or the thing is like. Like, describe the character of a person, animal, place, or thing. And what about the characteristic? Using present tense. We have learned about present tense. I hope that you still remember what's present tense. And then using verb be, yeah, is, am, and are. And then number 3, focus on one. Identification. Isinya apa di situ? Introduction, the general approach. Jadi di situ mengenalkan objek yang ingin kita gambarkan. Kemudian yang kedua adalah description. Nah, di situ isinya apa? Memberikan detail information about the object that we describe. How to describing animal? Detail the characteristic of the object. To make a descriptive tag, we have to know the pronoun. It, ini kata ganti untuk binatang. Ya, he or she. Kalau binatangnya jantan, kita gunakan he. Kalau betina, kita gunakan she. Ya, kalau they, artinya binatangnya lebih dari satu. We also use has or have. Ya, has and have. What has and what have? Has and have the same meaning. The meaning is mampu, mempunyai. And when we use has and when we use have. We use has when the subject, when the pronoun is she. Maka she has. He has. It has. It has. Ya. Satu benda ya, one thing. And cat has, because this is one. Raisa, one person, has. And then look, have. Have if the subject is more than one. I have, you have, we have, they have. One plus bendanya lebih dari satu, maka kita gunakan have. Cats ada s-nya berarti lebih dari satu, maka kita gunakan have. And then Sari and Parjo, two person, ya you have. Ya, jadi have, we use have when the subject is singular. Satu, when we use have when the subject is more than one. And then we also have to know about the adjective. In Indonesia mean kata sifat. Ya, like this. Big, big mean besar. Wild, binatang buas. Slow, pelan jalannya. Dangerous, berbahaya. Clever, binatang yang cerdas. Itu namanya adjective. And now, please take a look the video that will explain you about the adjective.
Pets. Let's learn to describe our pets. Adjective. What is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun.
So, adjective is a word that describe a noun, like people, place, or thing. Artinya apa? Adjektif adalah sebuah kata yang memberikan keterangan kepada satu kata benda. Bisa orang, bisa tempat, bisa binatang, ya.
It usually comes just before the noun.
Ya, jadi kata sifat itu di adjektif biasanya sebelum noun, sebelum kata benda. Jadi di depan kata benda. Ya.
For example,
contohnya.
Hungry is an adjective.
Ya, hungry, lapar itu termasuk adjektif. Ya.
Dog is a noun.
Ya, dog itu nounnya, bendanya. Ya.
Together, this gives us hungry dog.
Nah, jadi kalau kita gabungkan, maka menjadi hungry dog. Artinya apa hungry dog? Ya, anjing yang lapar.
Let's describe our pets. Cat.
Sekarang kucing, perhatikan.
This is my pet cat. It has long whiskers and a long tail.
Okay, please take a look the slide here. Can you find the adjective here? Yang adjektif yang mana? Kata apa di sini? Ya, long. Ya, long. It has long whisker and a long tail. Ya.
It's naughty.
Ya, naughty. Naughty itu apa? Nakal.
It likes to catch mice. Parrot. This is my pet parrot. It has colorful feathers.
Ya, colorful feather. Bulunya berwarna-warni, colorful.
It's clever. It can speak English with my friends.
Ya, it's clever, pintar. Tadi ya, bisa berbicara bahasa Inggris dengan teman saya. Okay, after we know what the adjective, setelah kita tahu adjective, kita akan mempelajari how to describe animal. How to describe animal? Pertanyaannya pertama, what is it? Ya, binatang apa? Maka kalau langsung kamu tulis di sini, it is bird, burung. It is a bear, it is a shark, dan seterusnya. Kemudian what size it, ukurannya berapa? Besar atau kecil? It is huge, besar. It is big, it is small. Huge itu artinya besar sekali ya. Kemudian what physical characteristic? Ini menyebutkan ciri-cirinya. It has 4 legs, mempunyai 4 kaki. It has no leg atau tidak punya kaki. It has wing, punya sayap ya. Kemudian it has horn, punya tandu. It has beak, punya paruh. It has shell, punya cangkang, dan sebagainya. Jadi ciri-ciri dari binatang tersebut. What does it eat? Makannya apa tadi? Misalnya it eat meat, makan daging. It eat grass, makan rumput. It is seed, makan biji-bijian. It is insect, makan serangga, dan lain-lain. How does it move? Tadi geraknya bagaimana? It can run fast, bisa berlari kencang. It walks slowly, jalannya pelan. It can fly, bisa terbang, dan sebagainya ya. Where does it live? Tinggalnya di mana hidupnya? On the land, di darat, atau bisa in water, atau di air. Jadi, to make a descriptive text, we can make some question to help us make a descriptive text. Jadi, membuat pertanyaan ini untuk membuat descriptive. Jadi nanti menjadi text descriptive di sini. It is a bird, it is huge, misalnya, dan seterusnya. Ini yang dinamakan text descriptive dari pertanyaan ini ya. Jadi untuk membuat text descriptive cukup kita membuat pertanyaan dan dijawab di sebelahnya. Oke. Contohnya di sini. Kuda ya, it horse. Ini adalah seekor kuda. It is big, besar. It has 4 legs, punya 4 kaki. It eat grass, makan rumput. It run fast, larinya cepat. It lives on the land, hidup di darat. Nah ini, this is called descriptive text. When you tell the characteristic of the animal you describe. Okay, now please make a group. The group consists of 4 students. Before we continue our lesson, we have a game, play a game. The name is guess what, menebak binatang apa ya. Jadi kita nanti diberikan clue-nya, ciri-cirinya, and then you must make answer what animal it is. Okay, everybody please take a look the screen. Ya, kita bermain game. Ayo. Bisa ditebak binatang apa yang diberikan ciri-cirinya. Ya, please take a look the screen and then we play game guess what animal is this. Number 1.
It has 4 legs. It has long tongue. It has long neck. It's very tall animal. It eats the leaves. What is it?
What is it? Can you guess the animal? Giraffe. Jerapah ya. Yes, giraffe. Now please prepare your mobile phone. Okay, I'll send a link and then you can click the link, and then you will bring to the website that you can do the activity. Now please open your mobile phone, and then click the link I sent to you. Have you clicked it? Don't do anything. The web should be like this. You can, okay? What you have to do? You have to read each sentence carefully and identify the adjectives present by selecting the correct answer. Your answer by click the correct answer. Okay. There are 10 questions, yeah, and that you have to answers. After finish, you screenshot and then send to a group. Finish it before we do our next activity. Okay, I think everyone has submit your work, and then we going to continue your next activity. We're going to do the second activity. Okay, I will distribute the LKPD. I will give you instruction later after I finish distribute this. Please receive this. compare the two tag, membandingkan dua tag. Kemudian di bawahnya perhatikan, ya di bawahnya nanti ada kolom yang harus kalian isi. There are column that you have to write. Oke, setelah membaca di atasnya, you write there are two tag. The tag one is my rabbit and second tag. What the second tag? Giraffe. Berarti ada rabbit and giraffe. It's right. You read the tag and then you can write here the differences between tag 1 and tag 2. That you compare the first tag and then second tag. Jadi ya, betul, ditulis ciri-cirinya. The characteristic of the animal. What the characteristic? The two tag. Of course, this is there are two characteristic, different two characteristic ya. Ada dua binatang, maka ciri-cirinya juga beda. Ya, ditulis di situ. Okay, has everyone is finished? We going to do our next activity. Jadi kegiatan ketiga kita adalah tentang about mind map, ya, peta pikiran. Jadi to make a description, kamu bisa menggunakan mind map. Perhatikan di sini, nanti kalian akan menerima, you will receive a worksheet like this, but with blank, ya, dengan kosong. Jadi di sini kalian akan buat teks description dengan mind map. Caranya bagaimana? This is animal. Jadi nama hewan kalian tulis di sini. Hewan apa yang kalian deskripsikan ditulis di sini. Kemudian place-nya, tempat tinggalnya di mana? On the land, on the water, ya, darat atau di air. Kemudian kind of animal ini maksudnya binatang itu jinak atau liar. Ya, kemudian food, makanannya apa? What kind of food that the animal eats? Kemudian physical as description, it mean ciri-ciri. Oke, paham ya? Ya, kalau sudah paham, akan saya bagikan worksheet, ya, the describing animal. I will distribute the worksheet, ya, ya, then you will do the task. Ya. Third task that you have to do. Yeah, the blank verse like that. Okay, I will explain once again about mind map. Here, you write the name of animal. Okay, and then here, you write the place where this live. And then, this is kind of animal. What animal is it? Is it tame or wild? Okay, and then here, food, it's mean what kind of food that the animal eats. Okay, and then here physical description, it's mean you have to write the characteristic of the animal. Okay, okay. Okay, it's look like that you have finished your work, and now I want one of you represent your group to represent your work in front of the class. Begin from Dias, please. Dias, come in front of us and write your work. Okay, everyone, please listen. Okay, please, Dias.
It is rabbit.
Yeah.
It is the animal.
Yeah.
It eats vegetable and grass.
Yeah.
It has a pair of white long ears, has weight full all over her body.
Yeah.
It lives on stage.
Oke, give big applause to dia. Saya berikan tepuk tangan. Oke, thank you dia. Space back to them. And now from here, Angel, please represent your group to read your work. Okay.
It is generally breed.
Bird.
It is tame animal.
Yeah.
It is larva, trichontis, or green.
Yeah.
It has two legs, beautiful core.
Yeah.
It is unkid.
Oke, give big applause to Angel. Semua yang tepuk tangan. How to describe animal? With what the part of the word that we can describe the animal. Bisa apa saja yang kita gunakan untuk mendeskripsikan? Kita menggunakan apa tadi? Pronoun, kata ganti. Kemudian apa lagi? Ada yang ingat? Adjective, betul. Kemudian apa lagi? Ya, kata kerja have dan has, and then usually use simple present tense. Okay. After we have discussed about how to make a descriptive tag, now I give you suggest. So if to make a descriptive tag, you can more elaborate more deep. Jadi bisa lebih dalam lagi untuk mendeskripsikannya. The physical description-nya bisa diperpanjang lagi ya. Kemudian food-nya bisa ditambah lagi apa bisa biasanya yang dimakan ya, bisa diperpanjang lagi bisa lebih lengkap. And in the end of the description you can make a closing. Misalnya apa? This is my favorite animal. This is my beloved animal. Jadi di bagian akhir kalian bisa memberikan penutup, gitu ya. Jadi supaya apa? Deskripsinya bisa lebih hidup, bisa lebih vivid. Ya. The conclusion that we have to do today is that we can describe an animal. Yeah, we can describe an animal by apa? By telling the characteristic. I will give you a link, and then you can answer the student reflection. Okay. Okay, have you received the link? Please click the link and then answer all the questions. 5 questions that you can answer. Okay, everyone have finished your work. I have one more link. This is a homework for you. And then you can do the link, do the task at home. This is the last link. Yeah. After you receive the link, you do not need to click now because this is a homework for you. Okay, I think we have finished our lesson today. And then in the next meeting, we are going to learn about a new material that is thing around us. Jadi kita akan pelajari tentang benda-benda di sekitar kita. I think everything is finished today, and we are going to finish our lesson today. Everyone, please finish our lesson today by reciting Alhamdulillah. Oke, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.